Welcome back! Today, we're gonna unbox a new Arduino. First thing, I have my own Arduino, which just came today from Citron Technologies. Let me open it and show you what's inside. There's the protection topping stuff, the card, the sticker. I'm gonna wear it later. The payment, and lastly, the Arduino. And inside, there'll be stickers so you can stick over here, and a thing that you can scan with your mobile. And you can also use a box to protect the Arduino. If you're not using it for that many stuff, you just want to program something, you just poke this hole over here, and you can just take the Arduino over here, and then you connect the USB cable, and then you can transfer so it doesn't break when your brother or sister makes it fall. What about you? What do you have?
I also have Citron Technology, but I have a Edu kit. As you can see, there's many stuff inside. I'll show you inside. There's a fan, the USB cable, the motor, the Arduino, the breadboard, the cables, and the others.
What's inside there? Oh, it looks like there's resistors and light bulbs and other small things that we might learn, right?
Yeah. And there's some others
you can read from here. That looks interesting. That's a lot of stuff though.
Well, just like my sister said before, there's the Arduino and some stickers, and you can scan it here. You can even poke this hole.
So, what we're gonna use to program is MBlock 3, the newest version. We will tell that in the next video, but if you can find out, please tell us with our Facebook page. And if you don't want your Arduino to get lost, like at school, at the back over here you can write the name, or at this kit you can write your name, or lastly, on the Arduino itself you can write your name.
Cool!
I know, right? If I bring it to school, I will never ever lose it. I hope.
But I'll never write on the Arduino.
Yeah, so we don't break it.
So,
please like and subscribe to our channel.
And share with your
See you
friends.
next time. I hope you liked this video.